Okay. Hello, my name is Jenny. I'll be the host for this Kubernetes 135 release team meeting. Today is November 19th, 2025, and we're in week 10 of the 135 release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful that what you say is being recorded. All right. Starting the open discussions. I don't see anything here. Does anyone want to discuss anything? All right, if not, we'll go on to the team updates. Do we have someone from enhancements?
Yes, I am here. Our current status is green. We have 60 caps tracked for code freeze. We are no longer processing code freeze exceptions. And we will open pull requests shortly with the exceptions we had. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Any questions or comments for the enhancements team? Okay, then moving on to release signal.
And okay, that is ring signal our status screen, and there's some failing tests. There are two failing tests in the last week, and the one is the screw cluster kubectl is green, and it's green now, and one failing test and one flaky task is non-blocker, and yeah, we are go for the recut, and that's all. Yeah, and the recut is I know it's undergoing. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Any other questions for release signal? Okay, let's move on to docs.
Hi there. So the current status for doc is currently green. Last week's branch link PR has already been merged. The same goes for the release notes PR for B.B5 Alpha 3, which has also been merged already. We'll also be creating the release notes PR for the Beta 0 release this week. And in terms of the current status for all the caps, in total, we have 60 caps. So 11 of them have already have their doc PRs merged. We have 2 draft PRs left, 41 ready to review, and 6 who do not need any doc PR. That should be it. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Any questions for docs? Okay, let's move on to comms.
Hi, our status currently is green. We actually have 14 feature blocks PR. One of them is already merged. 3 are under review and 10 are still not ready for review, but the deadline is this Friday, so there is still time to do them. We have the release highlights open. We are doing the second outreach to SIGs, and we received some outlines already, like for SIG cluster lifecycle, SIG node, SIG instrumentation. And then our mid-cycle block PR is open and currently under review by the SIGs and the SIG docs block team. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Any questions or comments for comms? Okay, release, is there someone from release branch management here? Current status is green. Okay, so let's move on to subproject lead.
Hello. So we're working on scheduling the retro. It's a little bit messy because of the proximity to KubeCon and Thanksgiving in the US. I wanted to try to have it next week, but could not make it work with the fact that it takes like 2 days to get to Australia, and I have to go to Australia. So it will be the week after Thanksgiving, probably immediately after the Monday burn down. So last opportunity to add stuff to the retro doc for part 1. You will get calendar invites later this afternoon.
Okay, thank you, Kat. Any questions for Kat? Okay, release lead. I think Drew said he's not in the meeting, so I'll read this update. This week we start to meet Mondays and Fridays for the burn down meetings in addition to Wednesdays. Subteam leads, please start thinking about succession plans. And the release lead and shadows are available to support your upcoming deadlines, such as docs, beta release cuts, etc. Let us know if you need any help. Any questions for the release lead? Okay. Scalability is green. I think that's all the updates. Before I stop the meeting, is there anything that anyone would like to discuss on the record? Okay, so I'll stop the recording and thank you everyone that's watching on YouTube.